my loving ALM clients. I've understood we have to make you a very clear-cut, precise clarity. What is that unique in ALM? As clients, you should have this complete understanding before stepping into ALM and undergoing the treatments and subsequent follow-ups. Center right now functioning from Chennai, but catering clients across the country as well as internationally. We can proudly say that not only in Chennai or within Tamil Nadu or within South India or across the country, we are integrating this allopathy medicine with the Ayush medicines. So it is very rare. And myself, and being an allopathic practitioner, I am acknowledging this treatment of these Ayush treatments. There is no harm in it. We need to understand which is useful for which clients at which point of time in which situation. So that is what I am trying to do. So as a very uniqueness, we are integrating allopathy and Ayush treatments. And secondly, myself being in the forefront, giving the clinical instructions and monitoring the clinical progress, there is no conflicts. I don't see you discontinue and do these medications. On the other hand, I make sure the clients who are on existing allopathic medications, when they start going through the treatment in ALM, in terms of herbal supplements, nutrients, diet changes, lifestyle modifications, yoga, therapies, counselling, everything, they see they are improving their health day by day, week on week and month on month. They are getting promoted into wellness. Naturally, the medications used in the allopathy is getting reduced. Sometimes it is getting discontinued. We are getting normal. So this is something we are doing very different. And on top of it, at ALM, we are using a very different methodology of clinical practice. It's called application of the functional medicine. The functional medicine is one of the very recent and very scientifically acceptable methodology of clinical practice in medicine, and it has been worldwide accepted. And that functional medicine is one of the strategy applied in ALM Ayush centers. And lastly, at ALM, the clients who have undergone the treatment, they know these benefits. So as soon as you step in, we see your existing evaluation. If it has been done recently, very much acceptable. Some of the evaluation which has to be mandatorily screened has been missing. We do those medications. We do a complete whole body analysis, and after weeks of treatment, within 2 to 4 weeks and 1 to 2 months, we repeat this screening and the evaluation and the whole body scan. We see a complete transformation before and after. This is something very different in ALM what we are trying to do. So in ALM, the clients get a very unique treatments, and which is making the clients getting very well satisfied. Thank you.